Sige, mamaya na sis.
Wag mo na
Hello, we're live!
Hello, how are you?
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayo naroroon sa mga oras na ito. I would like to welcome you to our Golden Bridges live chat with Carlota and Ophelia. Unfortunately, my co-host will be running late because there was a sudden change in her schedule at work. But nevertheless, we are here because every Tuesday, it is our commitment to go live and invite a special guest from all over the world. And tonight we have a special guest. But before that, let me introduce quickly myself. I am Ophelia. I'm an immigrant from the Philippines. I'm a wife, a mother, a grandmother, fully retired but not tired. I just retired from my career but never from life because I know I told myself I don't want to stop learning, I don't want to stop growing, and I don't want to stop helping. That's why I am running a thriving online business similar to our guest tonight, who is also a retired nurse. Nurse po siya, taga Virginia, at originally, syempre pareho kaming taga Pilipinas. And very, very pleasant surprise na may mga common friends kami. And you know what? It so happened na one of our common friends was my student. Mind you, talaga naman, napakaliit ng mundo. Dati ko pong estudyante ay kaibigan niya. Naku, wag niyo nang tanungin kung kailan ko naging estudyante ito. Actually, first year of teaching ko siya naging estudyante. At ito na nga po, kasama ko dito ang aming special guest, no less than Sis Molette Aranza from Virginia, USA. Alam niyo po, gabing-gabi na dun sa kanila. Pero talagang very kind naman si Sis Virgie. Kasi pinagbigyan niya ako na makausap ko siya at makakwentuhan sa gabing ito. At alam niyo po ba, bago nangyari itong live na ito, ay talagang may mga hiccups, may mga challenges. Pero hindi ko po sinukuan yan kasi sabi ko, naku, nakakahiya, kailangang mangyari itong aming go live na ito. Kasi po hindi umandar yung aking camera. At alam niyo po ba, naku, talagang old school po ako. Wala po akong alam sa computer. Pero nagkataon po na itong aming online business ay meron kaming members all over the world na pwede mong in just a click of a finger, you can always ask for help. Alam niyo po, talaga naman, may isa akong tinawagan, talagang he came to the rescue. At ito po, we are live. Sis, kumusta? Sis Molette. Ito po, binigyan ko ng pagkakataon makapag-introduce kasi ang haba ng intro ko. Overwhelmed ako. Sis, please introduce yourself.
Okay. Ito na, mag-i-introduce na. Kaya nga, at least, komportable, kaya tignan mo naman, komportable na po kaming dalawa. Yes. Actually, hindi ngayon pa lang po kami nag-uusap talaga. Ngayon na, nakaharap ako sa camera, pero nandito po siya sa na to. Ang hirap nang makipag-usap sa kanya, nandito siya, hindi ako pero yung camera,
sa camera mo. Sa camera.
Pero ako po si Molette Aranza, sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin dahil iba po siya sa grupo namin, sa team namin. So, kailangan po akong mag-introduce sa inyo kasi siyempre yung mga mga nanonood po sa kanilang grupo, siguradong hindi po kilala. Simula Taranza po ako, dito po ako sa Virginia, USA, sa East Coast. At ang oras po namin ngayon, it's 11:25 in the evening. At ngayon, kaya naghintay po ako, sabi ko, mga 11:11, sabi ko, 10:59, wala pa sila, nasa loob na ako ng link. Sabi ko, wala pa, nasaan ka? Sabi ko gano'n, dalawa yung nandito pero wala. Ay naku, broken ang aking sabi niya gano'n.
Broken yung aking StreamYard.
StreamYard. So nag-offer, ganito po kami. So syempre, meron kaming StreamYard, nag-o-offer din ako. So gusto mo ba? Syempre, syempre siguro, naiintindihan ko naman siya, nag-o-offer. Nag-invite, naiintindihan ko. Gusto niya talaga siya. Syempre, meron ako. Gusto gamitin mo itong StreamYard ko.
Alam mo sis, I read that. Yung offer mong yun, I read that. But I was already in the process of fixing it out. And I was almost done with a few clicks na lang. Kaya sabi ko, sis, meron na. Oh, you look at that. We have a viewer, sis. We have a viewer.
But anyway, kaya ganyan po kami. Nagtutulungan. So, what is good from our business, from our community, that's how we are. Talagang kahit sino po pwede po naming i-reach out.
Magpatulong.
Kahit na ako, may kausap po ako, nandito kami, nasaan na ba? At nga, hindi siya makapasok. Pati ho yung aming ka-team. Eto kami, meron ako, nandito kami, ganyan. So, ganun
parang
din.
Tingin ko, tinawagan mo pa yata si Coach Daphne. Ayan,
Hindi ko siya tinawagan. Nandun sila. But anyway,
in the house.
Check mo, hindi pa ako nakakatapos mag-introduce, ha? Anyway, ano po yan, ha? Ngayon pa lang ho kami nag-usap ng harapan, nag-chat lang po kami. But anyway, nasa Virginia po ako. I'm originally from the Philippines, as she said, pero sa Pampanga po ako. But anyway, kung taga saan po siya, alam niyo ho ba, yung sanabi nga niya, meron kaming common friend na na hindi namin alam na, kasi sabi niya na, I didn't realize para tayong may mutual friend. So tinignan ko kung sino yung mutual friend. So meron nga, sabi ko, kilala niya to, sabi ko gano'n. Paano mo nakilala to? So sabi niya, kasi naging estudyante ko. Kung naging estudyante siya, taga roon siya, sabi ko gano'n. Alam mo ba, sabi ko, yung asawa ko parating nandun bago kami. So I've known this person since late 1970s, sabi ko.
Yeah. Talagang small world,
small world, sabi ko. Sa Mindoro, ang taga Mindoro. Pero Pampanga po ako. Ang asawa ko sa siya, mga taga San Pablo, pero ang Mindoro, nagstay po siya sa Mindoro dahil mayroon po sa relative ng sa husband side ko, taga Mindoro. Marami po silang mga relatives sa taga Mindoro po. So,
sabi mo, ang relative ng husband mo ay mga Mendoza.
Mga Mendoza.
And another pleasant surprise, ang maiden name ko is Mendoza.
Imagine that.
Sis, we are meant to cross path, right?
Yes. Okay. So, ako, partly retired nurse. Nagtatrabaho pa rin po ako. At the same time, with this big digital business owner din. That's why we're here.
Yes.
For this live chat. Dito, diyan po.
Yes, thank you. Alam mo, our coach is here. Coach Daphne is in the house. Sabi niya, hello ladies, watching from Texas. So excited for you. Okay, thank you so much, Coach Daphne. A small word nga daw, sabi niya. Tapos sabi ng isa nating kasamahan from Las Vegas, Henderson, Nevada. Sabi niya, puyatan yata ito Kasi alam niya.
sabi ko nga, alam magagana pa mga utak ko ngayon. Sabi ko, 11:30 na, wala nang lalabas sa ano ko. Sabi ko,
sabi ko. Ito. Okay. Nagre-reklamo, sabi nga nitong guest, sabi niya, uy sis, baka naman ako'y wala nang maisagot dahil lang sa inaantok na ako. Hindi yan, magigising ka niyan. Tatawa tayo dito ng tatawa kasi magkikwentuhan lang tayo ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa atin bilang mga retirees. Ikaw ay part-time retiree, ako ay full-time retirees. Ano ba ang dahilan? Bakit ikaw ay sumali sa online business na ito? Samantalang I know you have a very fulfilling career as a nurse. But you decided, I'm not done yet. What is motivating you to do that?
Bakit ba ako nag-online business?
Yes.
You know how we are, di ba?
Yeah.
Nursing has always been our calling, correct?
Yes.
We always, it's all about caring.
It's all about
always
caring.
about listening and helping people in their most vulnerable times.
Yeah.
Pero nung nag-retire ako, I realized I wasn't done serving. Hindi pa tayo. Tapos, sinasabi ko nga sa mga ibang kasamahan ko, yung mga hindi pa nagre-retire, mga nakakausap ko sa telepono, sabi ko, you will feel that way too. Sabi ko gano'n sa kanila. Kasi lalo na ako, tayo pang mga Pilipino nagpunta from the Philippines to here. Ewan ko sa iyo. Ako, nagpunta rito from the Philippines to here. 2-3 trabaho nung dito.
Lahat talaga.
Hanggang sa a few years before I retired, nagstay ako ng isang trabaho lang. But all the time, talagang either 2 o 3 trabaho ko. From the time I came here.
2 sis. So, hindi ka nag-iisa.
So, do you think na yun ba mag-aano ako na sasabihin mo tapos na? So, hindi palagay ko hindi mo talaga maanuhan na you could stop serving.
Yes.
So I'm not done serving. I just needed another way to do it. Dito ko nakita yun. Okay? I'm still not done serving as a nurse. But I just found another way to do it. So nakita ko, this business gave me a second purpose.
Correct.
Aside, di ba nag-retire na ako? So of course, I don't want to do full-time nursing anymore.
Yes.
I cannot do anymore full-time nursing. Kaya nga part-time. Gusto ko rin mag-serve. So I want to do some other way. So ito yung nakita ko.
Na hindi naman nalalayo sa nursing.
Kasi you're still serving. It's a different purpose. It's a different way. So it lets you inspire and guide others, lalo na yung mga kaedad natin, di ba? That it's never too late to grow.
It's never too late to grow. That's
learn something new, di ba?
And to keep serving.
So, and moving forward, you want to keep growing, and you strongly feel that you're not done yet, and you want to help more people, especially those in the golden years.
Yes.
Lalo na, akala mo, kasi lalo na, siyempre, pagka matanda ka na, kaya mo pa ba? Ganon.
Yeah.
So, you wanna prove
matanda
yourself.
na tayo. Huwag mo sabihin matanda na tayo, di ba? Sabi sa atin, kalabaw lang ang tumatanda.
Yeah, akala mo ba, totoo yung sinasabi nila na, totoo yun, kasi I feel it too. You don't think, siguro katawan lang natin ang nakikitang tumatanda, pero
oo, kasi if we keep sharpening it, dito sa ating online business, hindi tayo magkakaroon dito
yes.
ng dementia.
You have to make them realize that you still have so much potential and purpose. And you plan to keep, that's why you have to plan to keep showing up. You learn, keep learning,
keep growing.
Opportunity nito. So for me, it's about leaving a legacy also. One that shows it's never too late to rise, bloom, and shine.
Shine, yes. Yay. That's very
cool. Didn't end my purpose. It simply redirected it.
So, sabi ko na po sa inyo napaka-inspiring. Itong ating guest ay napaka-inspiring. She has a heart full of wisdom. And of course, she has a lot of inspiring stories to tell. So, imagine that. Similar pa kami ng stories. Ako ay teacher, retired, siya ay nurse, but teaching as a profession,
lang yan,
also a caring profession, right? It's all, we care, we guide, we inspire in the same way that nurses do the same things. Magkaiba lamang ng
way. It's just a different way of the teachings.
So sabi ni Coach Daphne, so inspiring naman ang mga wisdom ng mga ladies. Siyempre naman, kasi nagmana kami sa iyo, Coach Daphne.
Yes.
I see. Thank you for that. Thank you. Sis, another thing na gusto kong malaman sa iyo, you had mentioned na when you came over, katulad ko rin, nung bago ako dito sa Amerika, tayong mga immigrants, pagdating dito, parang na-culture shock tayo. Akala natin madali tayo makakahanap ng mga trabaho na parang feeling natin mamumulot lang tayo. And to our surprise, mahirap pala. Kaya ako nagdala-dalawa din ako ng trabaho. Tumiiyak pa nga ako. Nang hirap naman ako dito pala. Gusto ko nang umuwi.
Ay, nako.
Pero pinanindigan ko na rin. Nasabi ko, parang isang sundalo na kung kailan nasusugatan, doon tumatapang.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Now, yung mga experiences mo, sis, nung ikaw ay dumating dito, naranasan mo din yung ganon, tsaka syempre new environment, new culture, new system. Do you think all those experiences had prepared you to be able to do this online business?
Well, you know what? Patatagan lang yan eh.
So, nakatulong ba yung mga experiences?
Nakatulong, of course.
Yes.
When you come to the new country, di ba? Lahat tayo, dahil immigrant tayo, di ba? You start from zero. Right? New culture. Kaya gaya na sinabi mo, new culture, new system, new everything.
Yes.
You learn early on to be resourceful. Magiging resourceful ka. Magiging mapasensya ka. Tapos yung determinasyon mo para malaman mo lahat from start. Biro mo from start till hanggang sa matuto ka. Una, ma-overwhelm ka. Alam mo ba, nung nauna, napasok ay, nung bagong salta talaga.
Di ba nga?
Bagong salta. Diyos ko po, talagang, culture shock talagang grabe. Yes. Grabe ang culture shock noong 1980s, 1989, nung dumating ako dito. Alam mo ba, pag ring lang ng telepono, takbo kami layo eh.
Pareho tayo. Kasi hindi ko maintindihan salita nila.
Hindi kami talaga sasagot sa telepono. Talagang sabihin ng mga Amerikano, mga kasama namin, what are you doing? Hindi kami makasagot eh. Kahit na marunong kami mag-English, alam mo ba, yung kahit na yung magsasalita ko lang, bilis-bilis, hindi mo talaga may intindihan ng English.
Totoo lang.
Sabi sa iyo talagang, kahit hindi naman masabi talaga, can you talk slow? My God. Tapos yung mga tungkol sa ang daming mga kwento namin na nakakatuwa na
Yes.
Tapos yung yung pocketbook, isa pa yung pocketbook na yan. Hindi ko man alam kung ano yung pocketbook na yan. Ang tawag na to, siyempre may mga lecture, di ba? Mga Tapos sabi niya, bring your pocketbook. Wala naman akong pocketbook. Sabi ko, kung ka na sa Pilipinas noon, alam niyo ba kung anong pocketbook noon, nung mga 1980s sa amin? Yung mga Nancy Drews na book. Ang pocketbook. Sabi ko,
pocketbook lang natin.
Sabi ko,
yes, talaga. Okay, sis, ma-connect ko lang, Di ba, itong lahat ng ating mga experiences na naranasan natin being immigrants, pinatibay naman tayo eh, di ba?
Yes! Kaya natutunan ko maging matyaga, madiskarte ka, mapagpasensya ka.
Yes, correct.
Those same values help me in this online business.
Yes, correct.
It's like starting over as an immigrant, building something new takes humility.
Correct.
Perseverance and faith that things will work out.
Yes,
kaya yun, yung konti-konti na yun, na ayaw mong sagutin ang telepono, na ayaw mong anuhin, pati ayaw mong galawin. Tapos yung biro mo I've never done ICU in the Philippines. And then, when I came to the new, ang bagong ko kasi is, right away, I was in cardiac ICU.
And sa heart. Mga heart patients. Tawag din?
Coronary care unit. Nasa coronary care unit ako. Adult pa. And I've never done pediatrics ako, tsaka OBGYN ako sa Pilipinas. Tapos dito ako assign ako sa coronary care unit. My God. Yun ang pinag-aralan ko kaagad. Nandun. Tapos ang ginawa ko lang, yung biro mo yon, yung faith ko, yung biro mo, ang pagkagustuhan ko, the why. That's another thing. Your why. Bakit ka
Yes, you always go back to why did you start? Why did you migrate? Right?
Why did you come here? Why are you here?
Why are you here?
Yung humility mo, yung faith mo, yun ang magtatama sa'yo para you could go, you could grow.
Para hindi ka ma-discourage. Para magpatuloy.
At yung mga homesickness, the long shifts, the pag-start sa maliit, lahat yun nagpatatag sa akin para magpatuloy ngayon, noon at ngayon. Dito sa business, it's the same thing. All of those things na nangyari noon dun sa what I'm trying to tell you, what my stories from that nursing experience, is the same way, the way you're doing online business things.
Yes.
From the start, kung paano ka ma-overwhelm, kung paano ka mag-start from scratch. Kaya nga yung mga walang alam sa business, don't tell me you don't know anything. So, because we can start you from scratch. And I know what it feels like you don't know anything but you know what? Everyone in this group can teach you from step one.
Correct.
And you know it can be overwhelming at first. And at first, it will take a lot of time for you to learn it if you don't know anything. But for those who knows online business already, that's a different kind of story. But for those who doesn't know anything, you take it easy and you will see how you can be strong, and you can keep going as you go. Yung mga challenges na yon, you will start, lahat yon magpapatatag sa inyo.
Correct.
Para kayo.
Thank you so much. That should be the spirit of everyone, and I admire you for that kind of confidence and spirit, because you have really the making of a successful online business owner. So you see, you started from scratch, but you did not your faith did not waver. Talagang nandiyan ka pa rin, nakatayo ka pa rin. There may be challenges, but you consider those challenges as stepping stones in order to grow your business and to be able to keep going despite all the odds. You know what, sis? Ang dami nating viewers.
So being an immigrant taught me that beginnings can be tough, but they can also be the start of something beautiful.
It can be rewarding. Yes. Basta't nandyan, basta't sinabi nila, kung may tiyaga, may nilaga.
May nilaga.
Okay. So yan, nandito sa atin is Wells Garcia is in the house. So thank you so much,
Brother Wells. Congratulations.
Hi, Tita Offie and Tita Molet watching from California. Go, 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 Tita Molet, sabi niya. You are always inspiring. Kita mo yan, sis.
Thank you.
And also, Sis Marites Lucas Raimundo is also in the house. Thank you so much.
Hi, Sis Marites.
Marites, thank you. And of course, your coach, our coach, Coach Daphne is still here. Okay, thank you. Now, sis, how do you consider retirement? Iba-iba ang konsiderasyon ng mga tao about retirement. Sabi nila, Offie, bakit ginagawa mo pa yan? Retired ka na. Magpahinga ka na. Mamasyal ka lang. Mag-garden ka. Something like that. Sabi ko, iba ang aking pananaw about retirement. And sabi ko, retirement to me does not mean I have to stop growing. I don't want to stop learning. I don't want to stop helping. How about you, sis? Ano ang iyong perspective about retirement?
Well, kagaya ng sinabi mo, pareho tayo. I don't want others might just want to be staying in the house.
Yes.
Like, yung mga iba, yan, nag-aano sa garden, mga ganon. Siyempre, iba-iba yan. But what keeps me going is purpose.
Yes.
Just like you said, you want to help people. Hindi nurse, nurse ako, di ba?
Yes.
You want to still help people. That's my purpose. And ang pag-online business, it's a different kind of helping. It's a different kind of purpose at heart. So, I may have retired from my job partly, but I didn't retire from sa life ko, sa kung ano ang gusto ko na mangyari. Marami pa akong energy, marami pa akong ideas to make a difference. Lalo na para sa pamilya ko. At sa team namin, dahil nagbibigay din sila ng inspirasyon sa akin. Kasi lalo na sa business na to, nung napasok ako sa business na to. Siyempre, kahit sino naman sa atin, honestly, kahit, di ba, sa atin naman, may panahon naman talaga na sa kahit anong business, may ups and downs yan.
Yes.
May time na talagang, ano ba to? Gusto ko pa ba to? Or what? Di ba? Totoo, di ba? May time na yung gano'n. Hindi pwedeng walang time na gano'n. Pero yung team namin sa Bloomshine, kami talagang yung nag-i-inspire kami sa isa't isa. Kung wala ang mga yan, siguro wala na rin,
Correct.
hindi kami magkakawatak-watak na rin or what. So, nagbibigay din kami sa isa't isa ng inspirasyon sa amin.
Yeah, sabi nga ni Wells, o sabi nga ni Sis Maita, Tita Molet is really inspiring. Paglaki ko, I want to be like her. Look at that.
So, this business, you keep my mind active and my heart full. And it gives me freedom and flexibility. And with this community, lahat naman, katulad ng natin, yung sa pagka-Wednesday natin, tsaka sa mga ibang mga learnings na binibigay, sa mga this or whatever, na things you don't wanna lose when you stop working. Marami talaga sa community natin. Kaya nga siguro sa mga taong may edad na ayaw tumigil dahil ayaw maging inactive, yung brain mong mag-isip, ako
yung
ganun.
Brain cells mo ay maging stagnant, di ba?
Kasi ito talaga mag-iisip ka eh.
Correct.
Ano ba ang ginagawa natin? Social media marketing, di ba? It's what are we doing?
At saka nagiging creative tayo.
Nagko-content,
nagpo-post
ka, nag-research ka, nag-ano ka. So, biro mo yun, ang gusto ko talaga maging active ang
yes, ako rin.
Appear.
Tayo dyan ay appear, sis, appear.
Ayoko ng ganun. So, hindi ako ganun. So, I just want to be live and ayoko mag-depress. Yun.
Yes. Sabi ni Coach Daphne, surround yourself with people that lift you up.
Yes.
Surround ourselves.
And of course, you have to be strong. You have to have a strong why also.
Yes, a strong why. And a growth mindset.
Yes, and that to do it. It's about leaving a legacy also, one that shows that it's never too late to rise, bloom, and shine.
Yes.
So honestly, seeing others grow because of something I shared, that's the best motivation there is.
Yes,
diba?
That's true. That's true.
That's why whenever I say, I didn't retire to rest, I retired to rise. Diba?
Okay. Yes, thank you, sis. Thank you. That's very, very true. Now, let's acknowledge our viewers. Of course, we have here Ivy Joy Jimena Celestino.
Thank
you so much. And Alan Espedido. Alan Espedido is one of my accountability partners in another group. And I reached out to him about my difficulty navigating through the StreamYard. Without him, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng magandang kwentuhan. Sis, you know what? Time flies when we're having fun. At saka tayo nagpapasalamat sa ating mga viewers. Talagang punong-puno ng sigla, bagamat gabi na po, at alam kong si Sis Molet ay inaantok na, pero there's no sign that she is
Akala mo lang, malapit na.
Sis, wag, kasi may isa pa akong itatanong sa iyo. Now, sis, siguro promise last na ito. Yung mga retired na katulad natin na wala pa sa online business, pag nakikita tayo, syempre nako-curious sila. At may mga retirees na nag-i-inquire, pero pagkatapos mag-inquire, parang tatahimik na lang kasi sila ay natatakot. Akala nila kung ano itong ginagawa natin. Akala nila ay sabi nila, ano yan? That might be a sketchy thing. I don't want to get into an online space or into an online business. I'm afraid. Ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanila para naman sila ay wag magkaroon ng ganong maling kaisipan about the online business we are doing.
Alam mo, natural lang ho reaction yun. Kahit na ho sino may scare. Kahit ako, nung una, although this one, it was not my first business, okay?
Oh.
I've been on several businesses, side hustle, pero ito ang unang digital business ko. Siyempre, lahat, ang mo, scared. Takot. Takot. Di lalo na, dito na naman ako dun sa ko, magiging, ang lahat ng you're getting out first, yung parating you're getting out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
Okay? Kasi yung mga dating businesses ko, dating business lang na you do your warm markets. Yung mga hot markets mo, which is nothing. Like, although, yun, nung una, lang, pero syempre hindi ko na masyadong yun, dahil warm markets yun eh. Ngayon, cold markets, tapos, ang ginagawa natin is social media marketing, right? Attraction marketing, which is actually you have to post content and you have to do katulad nito. Ang ginagawa natin, ginagawa ko pa ito dati? Hindi, my God. Marunong ba ako magsalita dati? Hindi. Oh my goodness. When did I do that? Ngayon dito ko lang ginawa yan. Dito lang sa business na to. Paano kong ginawa? Actually, hindi ko alam paano ko ginawa. So,
basta gumising ka na lang one morning, nalaman mo, ako pala nakakapagsalita at ang audience ko ay buong daigdig.
All it takes is one step.
Yes.
You don't need to know everything. You just need to need the willingness to learn, the patience to grow, and the courage to begin.
Yes.
That's it. Just the curiosity, you know what? Lalo na sa age lalo na ho sa age ko.
Age namin.
Your curiosity and faith led me to take that one small step.
Correct.
Okay, so willing to learn, the patience to grow, and the courage to begin. So what helped me realize that fear means I'm growing. Yung fear mo, that means you're growing. And growth is always worth it.
Yes.
Kasi kung walang fear, walang growth. You don't have to be ready. You just have to be willing.
Correct.
That's actually the key there. You don't have to be ready. You just have to be willing. Kung walang willingness, walang mangyayari.
And they should always remember that on the other side of fear is success, right?
Yes.
So you just have to face your fear head on.
Head on.
Ano lang yan, anuhin mo.
Marami akong nakakausap. I cannot go on live. I cannot do video. I am not forcing them. You don't have to if you don't want to. So I always say that because that's also my punchline before when I first started. I am not going to do live. Okay, Daphne. I am not going to do live. That's one thing I will not do. What am I doing now?
Sa bagay, yun namang pag-go live, hindi naman tayo pipilitin na...
Hindi ka pipilitin eh. Totoo naman sinabi ko eh. You don't have to if you don't want to.
You don't have to.
Totoo naman eh.
Pero, kung ikaw ay plugged in, matututo ka rin. Sasabihin mo, ganun lang pala naman. Bakit yung kaya ko rin yun. Diba?
Kasi makikita mo eh. Tsaka sinasabi ko,
kasi, ganun naman pala. You don't have to be too technical. You don't have to be very academic. Kasi, i-share mo lamang ang experience mo, i-share mo lamang yung nakita mo, i-share mo lamang yung narinig mo dun sa iyong mga Zoom na in-attendan. Let's go live, right?
Kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko sa kanila, business mo naman ito hindi naman business ng iba sa YouTube. I mean, am I right? Sa YouTube, di ba? So,
ikaw ang bahala.
Ikaw ang bahala.
Sa lang magpalago nito. Kung talagang gusto mo na ma-achieve yung iyong why. Uy, sabi ni Coach Daphne, take a leap of faith and connect with these ladies. Tayo yun. These are amazing mentors. Yes, Coach Daphne, thank you for that recommendation. Yes, we are amazing and we always follow your footsteps.
Yes.
Okay. So we have come to the top of the hour. You look at that. It's already 40 minutes. I promised you it
over na tayo,
ha? Over na 30 minutes. So let us invite our viewers and our followers. I give you the floor, Sis Molette. Invite your followers and viewers to your online business. Go ahead.
Okay. Kaya salamat po sa pag-invite sa akin dito sa live chat kay Sis Ophelia. And thank you very much. It's an honor to be here. And for those who are listening and watching and for live and for the replay, thank you po sa pag-suporta dito sa live chat nito. And if you want to, come in and watch or, kasi syempre, hindi ko alam kung ano dahil kasi kay Sis Ophelia, nandito po siya, nandito po sa harapan nyo ang screen niya o kaya sa akin po, nandito po ang aking website, www.mariamolettaranza.com. If you want to check it out, you could fill in your name, an email address, and watch our free webinar. That's all you can do. If you want to check it out and see if this business fits you, and just check it out.
Yes, thank you so much, sis. First and foremost, the pleasure is mine that you have said yes to our invitation. Thank you so much, Sis Molette, for those inspiring stories that you have shared. Definitely, our viewers would enjoy watching this because you are one inspiring lady. Okay, so as Coach or as Sis Molette have mentioned, you can joining this online business is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So first, you just have to click any of the link that you can see on the screen. Kahit po kaninong link ang inyong i-click, you will always be in good hands. And for those of you who may be able to relate with me, my website is www.opheliamm.com. You just have to sign in with your name and your email, and we will give you access to the free webinar. After watching the free webinar, we promise you that you will be able to make an informed decision. Talaga pong yan ang totoo. Pagkapanood ninyo nun, tiyak makakagawa kayo ng isang desisyon kung talagang ang online business na ito ay para sa inyo at kung naghahanap kayo ng paraan para ma-improve ang inyong resources, para kayo magkaroon ng oras at ng kalayaan, not only financially, sapagkat karamihan sis, ang mga tao, yung ibang mga nurse, alam ko mga nurses matataas ang mga sweldo niyan. They have achieved financial freedom, pero ano ang kulang? Time freedom. Sometimes they are trading money with their time with the family, right? So yan ang mahalaga na may time tayo at mayroon din namang sapat para matustusan ang mga pangangailangan ng pamilya. So maraming salamat po sa gabing ito. It is really a very beautiful evening at matutulog na po ang aming guest.
Alas 12 na po.
Alas 12 na. Alas 12 na. Okay, congratulations ladies. You did great. with this interview. Thank you so much, Sis Maita Manalo Castillo from
Thank you,
Henderson,
Maita.
Nevada, USA. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumama sa amin at nakipagpuyatan sa amin. Thank you. And God bless you. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po, Sis Molet, regards to your husband. And maraming salamat. Okay, so we'll end this stream and thank you po sa inyong lahat. Okay, bye-bye.